Nice full body workout with only 2 exercises. 2 very simple basic exercises probably you all been doing since the beginning of time. For me, that was in 1971. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a basic body weight workout. We're going to do this EMOM style. EMOM meaning every minute on the minute. It's going to be a 15-minute workout. For the first minute, we're going to do 10 push-ups, then finish off the rest of the minute in a plank position. The other minute, the second minute, we're going to do 15 air squats and finish off the rest of the minute with a wall sit. And we're going to alternate those two for a grand total of 15 minutes. Sounds easy on paper. It's probably not as easy as it sounds. Get ready to go, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. All right, we're getting started in 10 seconds. So let's get down on the ground. We're going to go for 10 push-ups and then straight into a plank for the entirety of the minute. So whatever amount of time the push-ups take you, take your time. Ready? Let's go. And then we just hold the plank. So 45-second plank. So we're staying active throughout the entire 15 minutes. There is no rest. So it's a little bit of a twist on your average EMOM workout, where at this point you might be resting. We have 30 more seconds left. So now we're working the core, still working the shoulders, hamstrings and glutes, and also the chest because we gotta stay upright. It's mostly the shoulders and the hamstrings and the glutes, however. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds, and then we switch into a squat. So 15 air squats. The preview should be on the screen right now. 2, 1, and let's go. We got 15 air squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we're going to wall squats. I want to use this wall since I believe there's an impression of a clock on the other wall. And we hold about 30 seconds. And that's it. Going back to push-ups, back to air squats. That's the entirety of the workout for today. Like I said, nice and simple. On paper, probably a little more difficult to execute. 10 seconds left, and we're switching back to the push-ups. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch to push-ups. Straight down to the ground. 10 push-ups. And then we hold the plank. Welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement workouts, guys. "30 more seconds. Like I said, easy on paper, not exactly easy to execute. If you feel like you need to take a break, feel free to take a break. Or if you want to make the push-ups a little bit easier, you could drop down on your knees. 15 seconds left, and we're going straight to the squats. Stay with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up and straight to squats. Ready? We're working the entire time. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and wall squat. Here we go, 30 seconds. Relax those arms, you're gonna need them. Nice full body workout with only 2 exercises. 2 very simple basic exercises probably you all been doing since the beginning of time. For me, that was in 1971. All right, less than 10 seconds left, keep holding it. Working those legs, relax those arms for the push-ups. 2, 1, and switch. And 10, and hold that plank. Nice and tight. How you guys doing? Still hanging in there? A little more than 10 minutes of working out left. That already means, however, we're 1/3 done, just about, in 30 seconds. Stay right here with me. Don't leave. Enjoy the workout. Come on. We got this. 15 seconds left. Hold it. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Get up and switch it up. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, if you see me struggling doing these workouts, I always say, my workouts are also your workouts. I challenge myself during these workouts. This is not just for show. I love working out with you. You guys motivate me to push myself a little bit harder. So let's just get it done. 15 seconds left and we're switching back to push-ups. Starting to feel this one, especially in the shoulders. Even doing those squats, it was hard to keep those arms up in the air. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Push off and straight to the ground. And let's go. And 10. And we plank. Best plank that you can do. If you want to get down on your elbows, feel free to do so. If you need to take a break for a few seconds and come back up. Best effort, that's all I expect from you. That's what we do on Fit After 50, best effort. We don't want to get injured, so we want to keep on coming back for more workouts. Stay nice and healthy, strong. Less than 15 seconds left, keep it up. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and squats. Shake those arms out. Try to keep them out in front. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and wall squat. And squat down. There we go. 30 seconds. We're halfway done with the workout, exactly. Stay right here. Keep it up. 20 seconds. Not easy, but we got it. 15. Keep holding it. Back and forth, back and forth. That's all we're doing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath. Shake those legs out a little bit. And let's go for 10 push-ups. And 10. And hold it. 40 seconds. Nice plank. Keep it right here. Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. 30 seconds left, come on. Like I said, easy workout on paper, reality, not that easy. Keep it up. Keep it up. 10 seconds. I know my plank is starting to sag, but hey, What can you do? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Shake those legs out, everything hurts. It's okay. It's almost over, 6 minutes left. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, 30-second wall sit. I was supposed to say wall plank. Wall sit, 30 seconds. After this thing, we got 5 minutes left. So 3 sessions of push-ups, 2 sessions of squat. And it'll be all done. It's almost over. Come on, keep it up. Stay strong. Stay with me. 10 seconds. Oh yeah. Feel the burn in those quads, Paul. Feel the burn. Enjoy it. 3, 2, 1. Stand up. No, it's not as smooth as I was before. 10 push-ups. And hold it. 42 seconds of plank. 4.5 minutes left of working out. Piece of cake. You guys are looking good, feeling good. Push yourself. If it's just muscular pain, a little bit of discomfort, that's okay. That's okay, we like discomfort, enjoy it. Enjoy the discomfort. You'll get better, it'll become comfortable in a couple more sessions. In a week or two, this will be easy if you continue doing it. 10 seconds, stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're switching to squats. Almost there, guys, come on. 1, 2, 3, keep those arms up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we'll sit. There we go. 32 seconds of jello shaking quads. Keep it up. Come on. Out of breath. That's okay. 3 minutes left. Little more. We got this. Stay with me, guys. Look at me. Stay with me. Look at me. Stay with me. 10 seconds. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up, drop up the push-ups. We have 20 push-ups left altogether. Let's keep on going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, 8, 9, 10, and hold it. Hold it right here. Hold it right here. We're working everything today. Just with basically 2 exercises. Hold it. 30 seconds left. Almost there. 2.5 minutes of working out left. We got this now. We'll fly by. Fly by. Hold that plank. Don't give up. 15 seconds. My quads are burning too. My hamstrings are burning. My glutes are burning. That's okay. Single digits. Keep it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Last set of squats. You guys ready to go? Let's knock these out. Let's go. 1. Keep those arms up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew. 10 as I say, keep the arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, last wall squat, guys. Come on. Last one. And drop down. And just stay with me. 30 seconds. Relax. Nice deep breaths. We're almost there. Got 90 seconds of work left. This has been a work all the way through. We haven't taken a break. We haven't taken a breather. Real work, guys. Real health, real fitness. Real rewards at the end, right? Keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, last set of push-ups. Here we go. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, last plank, guys. 43 seconds. Lock everything in and stay right here. Stay with me. I'll do the countdown. You guys just relax. 30 seconds left. We got this. Just stay right here. Concentrate on keeping the best plank possible. Come on, you got this. 20 seconds. We've gone to over 14 minutes. We can last the last 15 seconds. Lock in. We're down to single digits, guys. 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. And that's it. Woo. I told you it's going to be a simple workout, but not necessarily easy. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This was our 15-minute EMOM, all body weight, all from home. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget the workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. And I'll see you guys during your next workout.